Broaching is a machining process that involves removing material from a workpiece using a cutting tool with multiple teeth. This process is commonly used in the manufacturing industry to create precise and complex shapes in metal parts. Broaching can be used to create internal or external shapes, such as keyways, splines, and gears. The process is highly efficient and can produce parts with tight tolerances and excellent surface finishes. The broaching process involves a broach tool that is pushed or pulled through the workpiece, removing material as it goes. The broach tool has a series of teeth that increase in size and shape, allowing it to remove material in a controlled manner. The process can be performed on a variety of materials, including steel, aluminum, brass, and titanium. Broaching is often used in the automotive, aerospace, and medical industries to create parts with complex shapes and tight tolerances. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in custom metal fabrication and machining services. The company offers a wide range of services, including broaching, to meet the needs of its customers. Berkness Company has a team of experienced machinists and engineers who can work with customers to design and produce high-quality parts using the latest technology and equipment. If you are interested in learning more about broaching or any of the other services offered by Berkness Company, you can visit the Contact Us page on the company's website. The page provides contact information for the company, including phone numbers and email addresses, as well as a form that can be filled out to request more information. The team at Berkness Company is always happy to answer questions and provide guidance to customers who are looking for custom metal fabrication and machining services. FAQs. 1. What is broaching and how does it work in manufacturing? Broaching is a machining process used to create precise and complex shapes in metal workpieces. It involves using a broach, a cutting tool with teeth that gradually increase in size, to remove material from the workpiece in a linear motion. The broach is guided through the workpiece using a broaching machine, which can be either horizontal or vertical. Broaching is commonly used to create keyways, splines, gears, and other intricate shapes in metal parts. 2. What are the advantages of broaching and manufacturing? Broaching offers several advantages over other machining processes. It is a highly precise method that can produce complex shapes with tight tolerances. It is also a fast and efficient process, as multiple teeth on the broach can remove material in a single pass. Broaching can be used on a wide range of materials, including steel, aluminum, brass, and titanium. Additionally, broaching can be used to create internal shapes that would be difficult or impossible to achieve with other methods. 3. What are the different types of broaching? There are several types of broaching, including internal, external, surface, and continuous broaching. Internal broaching is used to create internal shapes, such as keyways or splines, while external broaching is used to create external shapes, such as gears or serrations. Surface broaching is used to create flat surfaces or contours on the surface of a workpiece. Continuous broaching is a specialized form of broaching that involves using a broach with a continuous cutting edge to create long, straight shapes, such as rifle barrels or hydraulic cylinders. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.